Welcome to the mix, and on the mix today we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is featuring Marcia as she was having a little cuss out with someone. So, go listen to the video. That's how you're gonna know what's going on, as always. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And get your membership as well. Have a wonderful day.
Not me. Them.
You can't go to church, you may have more evidence by you. How we think you deal with? You're idiot, why? If you see me with dirty clothes on my line, come take your blood clot tongue and wash them.
Me dead.
If my house want clean up, come take your blood clot tongue and sweep that blood clot and wash it. I'm not afraid of you. How you think you is? You're an idiot, boy. You're nobody. You're a pussy clot junker. You're a worthless motherfucker. You ain't nobody. You can't trust me. And you too, big up on a while ago, I see one boy named Boss Stevie, and I see this man real up about me. You're an idiot. If roach them pocket back come near me, that pussy class come near me. If me have roach, you have roach too. If me have rat, you have rat too. Because me and you live in the same apartment. So if me have roach, you have roach. You worrying about my clothes? You don't even wear one pants that cost $20. You ain't got nothing in your closet for good. Oh, you worrying about my clothes? Or you come on Facebook cussing about my clothes? Eh? You come on Facebook come talk about my grandbaby hair cast. Oh, are your dick cast or your bang cast?
Jesus Christ.
I'm not afraid of you. If me not talk on Facebook, and me no shit, you know what I mean? Get the fuck out of here with your old cheap bag them. We are worried about my selling sheet for.
Me have
What about this?
palpitations.
If me want to report your black ass, I report your long time. Everybody sells sheet and everybody sell handbag around this place. So we talking to you idiot.
Me dead.
Come with better sense, you don't have no contents. And what contents you look from me for run your blood clot show.
Me dead.
You idiot. You don't have nothing to talk about. You come and talk about dirty clothes van door. You are watching me. You watching me from here one like you wash out my pussy when you don't wash good.
Me dead.
That's what you do. You sit down and wash out the pussy when me ask me.
Me dead.
What about that? Who you think you is? Who you think you're afraid with? When you come and chat about grand pitney, you're a cat and one you're an idiot, a blood clot, mad, you're mad. Because you come dash out your paycheck past social media. I never call your name. And you go talk it. I never call your name. But if nobody call your name, you take them to court. Come take me to court. Christopher Cook. Come carry me to New Jersey. I dare you to blood clot Christopher Cooks. Send the court paper, come give me.
My chest.
And you still have secret for me. Dash out that blood clot.
Lord.
Dash it out.
The blood clots. The blood clot.
Christopher Cook. Dash out the blood clot secret way out to me. Where you said me I come for a face to come ball. Dash out that pussy clot Christopher Cook. You said me can't call a name. Hence you're going to take me to photos. Take me to blood clot and me have evidence for you too. Take me. I want you to take me. You want to call it one more time? Christopher Cook, take me. Take me. You said me calling you one more time. Me I got Jersey. Well, welcome to Jersey. Yes, I will meet you in the courthouse.
Miss Hang get out.
I will meet your black ass in the courthouse. Send me paper. Send me paper. Me have my paper too. Send me paper.
Doctor.
Send me paper. Let's see out who is going to win.
The doctor man.
Send me motherfucking paper, Christopher Cook. Send me paper. You have secret for me? Remember, dash it out. Get the fuck out of here. You ain't got nothing. You ain't got nothing. You are the content for me. Take this blood clot for your new year. Me want you take me a quote. Blood clot.
Share the video. Share the video. Like up the video. Share it up. Me say that one there is bigger than myself. Is bigger than me. Me say me I try change. Me I try change. And look what. And we are chat to.
Why you take me a quote?
Patsy, how we are chat to a cammy girl. A cammy. How we are talk to? A cammy girl. A cammy. A cammy I talk. Me I wait no. Pass your blood clot this again, Patsy. I black out your clot and come on for this. Listen, Mr. Curly, walk out and wine. How we are chat to? You. Nah, you know, you are come off. Yeah, man. One hour to tell the statement as one more time. Dear one, I feel a page this. Me have to talk. Me have to talk. One dear. How you know? Me send for you. Come off, dirty drunk, come off. Blood clot you. Come off.
Christopher Cook, come and take me to New Jersey court. I'm waiting. You know my address. Come and know of you. You know my address. I know yours. And you know my address already. I'm waiting. Make sure you send it Federal Blood Clot Express. Send it Express. Make sure send it Express. No one gets the mail tomorrow. Me ready like a Freddy. I'm ready like a Freddy. Listen, I'm ready like a Freddy. Send it on. You said me call your name. The can't go court. Christopher Cook. Send it on. Facebook bully. Christopher Cook. Send it on. Send it on. You know how much screenshot and video I have? With my name on top of your video? Do you know how many screenshot and video I have collected on YouTube with my name? What you put on top of your video? I'm waiting with blood clot arms.
Em said blood clot sweet though. They said blood clot sweet though.
You have secret to me? We are waiting for. Dash it out. Christopher Cook. Dash it out. What are you waiting for?
Why?
Wait, me and wait to step up in our courthouse.
Why?
Me make sure me I come here dressed like a blood clot millionaire. First of all, let me tell you something, black boy. PP loan is a public thing. That's why they could go and dig up other bloggers' name. Nobody can go up on Facebook and know federal thing. It's a open record. Nobody can go up on no computer and dig up Marcia Campbell and me get PP loan and carry to Jamaica. A blood clot jealousy house. PP loan is a public record. That's why when you could go and get Tina Chin record and other people get record. Sorry for calling name Tina Chin or something. It's a public record. So when you tell story, you ain't got shit on me. You have secret for me? Not a blood clot secret you don't have for me, boy. Dirty boy, you don't have no secret for me. Me tell us the wrong blood clot, Marcia. If you think you have to for me, I have to for too. Don't think for me, book. Me no blood clot, but me a wait for your camera go courthouse. Me a wait for your camera go courthouse. You worry about me. It's not going to tell my shit. I'm mad, you're mad. You know, say you're mad. You're mad because your secret come out. You're mad because your secret come out. Because you live off of me for my video them. If you don't call me blood clot name, and call you woman name a yard, you
like up the video,
you's a dead motherfucker.
Like up the video.
You can't live without my name. I'm your blood clot medicine.
Lord.